Hi guys, so this term we've been focusing on still life, and today what I would like you to do is build a description in pairs to describe the painting that you can see here. By the end of today's lesson, the language goal is to be able to use formal register to describe a painting, and for our content goals we want to use our scaffold that we've all been working on to describe the painting and include 9 specific categories. Okay, so what I want you to do is inspect the painting, talk about it with your partner, go back to your desks, using your scaffolds, build a description of the painting. Remember, you must include one from each of the 9 categories of the descriptive language table. Okay, are you ready? So have a look and then head back to your desk when you're ready. Okay guys, how did we go? Good? How'd you go, girls?
Very good.
Fantastic. Who would like to share their description with me first?
We can.
Good. Before we start, can you tell me how many words were you able to use from each category?
We used 7 out of the 9 categories.
Excellent. Could you tell me, going through them one by one on your scaffold, which word you used from each of the category and what the category was, please?
Yep. From contrast or lack of contrast, we did strong. Colour, we used earthy. Lines, we used delicate. Movement, flow. Scale, intimate. Texture, uneven. And out of the other words category, we used focal point.
And which 2 weren't you able to utilize from your scaffold?
That was
the shape
and tone.
Good. And in regards to the tone of your writing, what register did you use? Is it formal, informal, neutral?
It was a formal register.
Do you remember to use the formal register? Excellent. Could you share with us your description of the painting, please?
Yep. Do you want to read it?
Okay, yep, that'd be great.
Strong contrast of earthy, light and dark colours between the objects at the front and the background. Delicate lines flow through the painting on an intimate scale. The focal point of this painting is the uneven texture.
Fantastic. I think you've done a wonderful job and really used the scaffold to your advantage. So well done, guys. And could you please share with us your description?
So the artwork displays a general subtle contrast due to the thin, delicate line work and subtle pale colours. The shapes demonstrated within the artwork can best be described as freeform, creating an essence of flowing movement within the painting. The texture wouldn't get to finish, but
That's
we
fine.
would have described the texture as smooth, and the tone of the painting between muted and subtle. We also said that there was quite a lot of negative space and the shape was generally freeform and the scale was intimate.
How do you feel that scaffold helped you in doing this activity? Do you think it shaped your response? Without the scaffold, do you think your answer would be so articulate? Not at all. Great. Good job, guys. Thanks very much.